Hey guys, what's up? So today, I'm back. Here I am. I'm thriving. I'm doing my best. I'm back. And you know what? I'm doing so good today. So because I have the biggest mind out of anyone in this whole creator YouTube space, I have the biggest mind out of all of them, I thought I'm gonna come up with a fun video idea for today. Cause you know what? I'm tired of doing the same old video every week. Even though this video is kind of probably gonna end up the same as every other video I make. But you know what? But anyways, because my mind is so big, I'm gonna come up with a little challenge. Not really a challenge, but I'm gonna do a video that's so fun and fresh and good and gets lots of content and clicks and views so I get money. So I could buy a Tesla. I'm gonna be doing today in this video a vlog, school vlog, online school vlog, Q&A, get ready with me vlog, Q&A vlog, mukbang vlog. So, are you excited? I know I am. Yeah. So, also I'm trying a new hairstyle today. It's called Wannabe Ariana Grande, but it's also called DIY Headache because it hurts really bad. You're welcome. Okay. I guess I'll get started. Okay. I tried filming this video yesterday and I had a mental breakdown, so what's new? So everyone, let's just get started. Let's just get started on this video right now so that we can have a fun time and we can just get started. Let's just go. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Also, my head hurts so bad right now because I have a headache because of this snatched look. I had to take an Advil. So, I love drugs. Ho! I'm Mickey Mouse. Kermit the Frog here. Ho-ho! Hey guys, so I'm back.
Hello. Is it me you're looking for?
No.
I suppose not.
Frick off, sis. Anyways, so I'm back and my eyebrows are thick and they're big and they're strong today. They are strong just like me. So, So I'm ready to start our makeup, ladies. I'm doing just soft, natural glam today. Maybe even a winged eyeliner. My new fave thing is winged eyeliner. So maybe I'll do that today for us. And so, yeah. No. So, let's start answering some questions, ladies. First question. Do you miss public school? No. Not a single little bit. Do I miss public school? Because public school drained me and ruined me. So, next question. Actually, first let me put my colored contacts in. But while I'm doing this, let's talk about something very special and important. It's been 1 year since my very first YouTube video. I posted my very first YouTube video on February 4th, which is also my dog's birthday. So everyone say happy birthday to him. He's turning 9. I accidentally said that he was turning 8, but he's actually 9, so I lied to the whole world. He's a big boy. He's turning 9 years old, and his birthday was on February 4th. Anyways, no one cares. But what we do care about is my 1 year YouTube anniversary, which was on February 4th. And you know what? That was a special day for me because that was the day where I realized, you know what? YouTube is my big fat day. And I've been putting myself through this for 1 whole year, so I deserve a round of applause. Here I am, 1 year later. I'm thriving. How has your mom reacted to your YouTube fame? She she doesn't care that much. She literally does not treat me any better, which is unfortunate because she's still mean to me. JK, she's so nice to me. Everyone treats me the exact same before and after YouTube, which is unfortunate because I've never been treated well. So guys, start treating me different, start treating me better. I deserve better treatment now that I am rich and famous. I'm not rich or famous, but you know what, let's just pretend. Although I do want to be rich, so if you guys want to give me money for free, I am always going to accept it because I want to buy a Tesla, so I really need your money. So please give me money.
Thank you.
I want to buy a Tesla so that I don't actually have to learn how to drive. I could just have it drive me around everywhere and then get in a crash, but when it malfunctions and then die. Time for foundation. Next question says, sunglasses emoji or cowboy sunglasses emoji or cowboy emoji? And I say, duh, cowboy emoji. Do you believe in aliens? The answer is yes. I strongly believe in aliens, and I get hate on it daily by my family because I talk to them about aliens and they're like, oh my gosh, like aliens don't exist. And I'm like, but yes they do. Like literally what the freak? And they're like, okay, well what's your evidence? And I'm like, I don't know. I don't really have evidence. I just know it. My mind, I just know it. I have a feeling aliens are real. And one day they're gonna abduct and they're gonna abduct me. And they're gonna be like, hello. And I'm gonna be like, hello. And they're gonna be like, what are some YouTubers you dislike? So that's my list of YouTubers. How much money do you make? $4 a day. Maybe 2, I don't really know. Anyways, JK. I would never tell you how much money I make because then I'd get sued. For all of you wondering, the truth about online school is that it's freaking everything. It's literally bae. I recommend 10 out of 10. Here's the reasons why. It's so easy. Well, I probably shouldn't say that, but I just did, so. YOLO. It's really easy to get by. It's just ideal to do it at home, like literally. I had a dream about going back to public school and I didn't realize how much I hated public school until I had the dream, and I ended up actually jumping off of the roof of my old school in the dream. So, okay, I'm gonna do my eyeliner and I'll BRB, sis. I'm dying, so BRB. BRB, BRB, BRB. See you soon. Be right back. Be right back. BRB, BRB. Hey guys. So, I'm finished. Now, time for the online school part. I'm gonna be doing online school now. I'm gonna be doing my school now.